Without a doubt, one of the most popular modifications S550 owners make is exhaust, and more to the point, the actual Resonator delete. Now, the factory Resonator is very heavy and very restrictive, so deleting with an X or an H pipe makes the exhaust a lot louder, gets rid of weight, and provides better flow. Now, in some cases though, it can be a bit too loud. In that case, this ACCELATEC X-Pipe Resonator is an excellent choice. This is going to be lighter and flow much better than the factory Resonator, but not have quite as much volume as a Resonator delete. This ACCELATEC Resonator is made right here in the USA and is made front to back of stainless steel. It features a resonated center section with an X-pipe built in. Now, to install a Resonator, we do have to cut out the factory one. Now, your factory one's gonna be right here, very, very heavy, very restrictive. What we basically have to do here is gonna measure, we're gonna put the new Resonator underneath the factory Resonator and figure out where exactly we wanna make our cuts. Now, to figure out where to make our cut, you go to this well right here on the back of your factory Resonator, go back 5 inches on both sides and make a mark. And that's where we're gonna make our cut. All right, we're gonna make our cut. Now, there is 2 ways you can do this. You can take the entire cat back off the car, which isn't hard, and cut it off the car, or in our case, we're gonna cut it on the car. If you're cutting on the car, just be careful. Drive shaft's right above it. This is your fuel tank, so there's a lot of stuff in the area. You just wanna be careful with it. Now, again, if you are cutting on the car, either stuff some rags above the exhaust tips or have somebody hold them, because these pipes will drop when you make the cuts. Not to pipe up, just clean up this edge here. All right, the pipe's cut. Now we're going to loosen these clamps and remove our factory Resonator. I'll move our factory clamps over to our new ACCELATEC Resonator. We're going to slide it over the factory tailpipes. Now, before you put the Resonator up into place, make sure you put on the included clamps. Now we can lift it back up. Slide the clamps over the factory pipes. I'll make sure everything is lined up. We're going to tighten down these 2 clamps first. And now we can bolt down our front clamp. And your installation's finished. All right, our ACCELATEC Resonator is installed. Now let's hear how it sounds. There's a lot of reasons to go with a high flow Resonator in your Mustang. Maybe you did a delete and it was just too loud, especially if you have the active exhaust, or maybe you added other exhaust stuff to it, such as long tube headers, and you're trying to kill some drone. Either way, this is going to be a direct replacement for the factory setup, and it's going to work and fit great. Installation is about an hour to an hour and a half. Be back on the road in no time.